G'day troopers and hola amigos. Today we are reassembling the bendix assembly for a starter motor. XV750 8485 model, first of the Gen 2. This would apply to the Gen 1s as well, I believe. It definitely goes in like this because then the gears mesh properly. If you reverse it like that, these gears here don't mesh properly. This actually sits a little bit too much inside the motor. So you've got that, the sleeve, then you've got the fly gear that moves up and down, and your bendix part of it. And this is where it gets tricky because you can't get it all in one. You can't get it inside all in one go. So you've got to play around with it. The sleeve, I don't think it matters which way it goes, so we'll just put the sleeve in there. Now it's a matter of actually putting all this thing in, the last part of it, and slide it all the way in. Oh yeah, that's it, and we've got the original 1mm gap there. You can see these cogs are not meshing, and it's only a matter of when this one comes out, the bendix here comes out, boom, engages the flywheel, and that's it. I reckon that's job done. And I tell you, it's actually a pain in the ass. It's actually a pain in the ass. Right. So I guess this is how you put the starter motor in an 85 and 84 Yamaha Virago XV750. I'll just put the cover on and crank over the motor, see if it makes any funny sounds, but I don't think it will. I think it should work. Thanks for watching, troopers, and until next time, bye.